What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher in A-Leaf ISD.
Because you were a teacher, I will roll your court costs so you won't owe anything. Otherwise, you would be paying a $3,500 fine and fee to DPS. This is really a shame. You know, you had such a great program in the palm of your hand that if you would have completed successfully, they would have dismissed this case. I want you to understand that one day, it may not be tomorrow, may not be next year, may not be a year. One day you're going to go, damn it, why the hell didn't I get this thing dismissed? Because it will now reflect as a conviction on your record. From now on, you'll be facing a minimum of 90 days in jail for any cases that you pick up. And I'm also going to tell you that if you ever get pulled over and even you have the slightest smell of anything funky, you will probably pick up another DWI. And this time facing a year in custody. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I would never, even if you've had a sip of alcohol or anything, get in the car because you're taking a humongous chance. You give up a lot of rights by entering this agreement. You give up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront, cross-examine your accusers. If you are not a citizen or a possible immigration consequence, you can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. So once you accept this agreement, you can never change this or undo this. It will reflect as a conviction on your record for the rest of your life. Do you understand? How do you plead to the offense of driving while intoxicated? Guilty or not guilty? It is above a 0.15, right?
Yes.
Is it true or untrue that you had above a 0.15? Give me one second. Your blood alcohol level was, it's true or untrue that you had a 0.15 or above?
Yes.
Yes.
I didn't know
Your
what it
BSC
was.
was above that number.
Okay, yes.
All right, ma'am. How do you plead to the offense?
Guilty.
Find you guilty, and I will sentence you to 3 days in jail. Give you credit for the 2 days that you've done. I'm going to suspend your license for 180 days. Do not drive until you get a license. What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher in A-Leaf ISD.
Really?
Yeah.
It's going to impact you, man. Because you were a teacher, I will roll your court costs so you won't owe anything. Otherwise, you would be paying a $3,500 fine and fee to DPS. And if you don't pay that, you lose your license until you pay. I want you to understand that I'm doing this because you're a teacher. I'm taking away a bunch of money that you would normally owe. But I'm going to be on notice now. You come back with another DWI. The fines and fees normally add up to around $7,000, not to mention a minimum of 90 days in jail.
Okay.
We're not asking much. All we want our streets to be safe.
Yes. Understand.
Judge.
Oh, okay. So no, it's not. Thank you for telling me.
Yes, Judge.
It's not a 0.15. Disregard that. So basically what that means is from now on, it's a minimum of 30 days in jail, not 90. That's how the difference.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. So how do you plead to the offense, man? I'll find you guilty, sentence you to it. Good luck to you. Okay. All right, guys.